Hi everyone, thanks for joining us again. Robert with Tampa Bay Auto Network, here to do a walk around with you on a 2022 Tesla Model 3 dual motor. The point of our walk arounds is to be as transparent as possible, showing you things that we cannot show you in our 100 high definition photos located on our website. If you're on our website and would like to see those photos, just scroll down, they're located below the video. If you'd like to see a detailed vehicle description, which highlights features and options of the Model 3, just scroll up. It's located above the video. If you're on our YouTube page and would like to see those, plus get a free CARFAX report, see the original Windows sticker, get financing options, or a shipping quote for anywhere in the country, visit TampaBayAutoNetwork.com. As this video is to show you imperfections, notably, there aren't any on a 187-mile Tesla Model 3. Although, we keep doing our videos, so I'm going to do a walk around with you on the inside and outside just as a preview. So let's get to that walk around. Alright, we're going to go around the Model 3 real quickly. As I said, as a preview, you can see new tires. Not a mark on the front bumper or hood. This is as new as a used car can get, ladies and gentlemen. Not a mark on her. Driver or passenger side. It's a glass roof if you know anything about Teslas. Let's get a quick preview of that interior. Alright, show you the things that won't show up in our photos. Headliner, which in a Model 3 there really isn't one. What is there is brand new. And the top of the dash, which is also brand new. If you have any questions about this Tesla, please give Jennifer a call. She's available to answer them for you. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you next time.